In my previous video, we have learned max, minimum, count, and count A and sum function. In today's video, we will learn subtotal. So, what is subtotal? How it works? So, subtotal is very important mathematical calculation which give the result of a specific category of sales, or you can say this give the result for a group. For example, I am taking here subtotal, SUB subtotal. So you can see here in number one, it's average, count A, max, min, or here in 9 number you can say see 9 is equal to sum. So you'll go for sum. So after subtotal, open bracket, then type 9, which is for sum, then comma, then select the range. So it will give the total value, which is 4,99,090,095 something amount. Okay, so now you can see here we have means I have filtered out the data. Now if I do filter here, and in the designation column I'm selecting one specific designation accountant. Okay, so once I select the designation accountant, you can see here in F1 sale the amount gets changed. Okay, in let's assume now I'm selecting financial manager, so again the amount got changed. So this is the way, this is the use of subtotal. So once you do filtering the data, according to filtering the total got changed. Okay, now in the same way we are going to use count subtotal. So count on second number, comma, then we will select the range, then close the bracket. So here you can see the total count is 100. You can see here 100. Now if I filtering the department, admin department, so total count is 13, and here you can also see 13 as a result. If I select here digital marketing, so you can see here this value automatically got changed. So in that way we use subtotal. So thanks for watching my channel. Please do like and subscribe.